Okay, we're starting a maintenance coat. House that's about to be listed. So this part of the house, notice that the floor is very shiny. This has an acrylic wax on it. So we have a special process to remove the wax. So the first step is going to be remove the wax. Then we're going to do a thorough cleaning, abrade the floor, apply a coat of commercial water base. Okay, here's the floor with the wax removed. It's been prepped. So we used a two-step process. We remove the wax first. It's very important that all that wax is removed. So if you do have acrylic on your floor and you want a maintenance coat, it's going to be a two-step process. It's a little more money. It's a lot more time and effort, but it's worth it. It's the only way you're going to get the new coat to stick. Then we follow it up with braiding, removing any flaws or anything stuck to the floor.
Aftermath of preparation, good food, good mood, blood in circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.